Your organization's marketing division wants to embed an open survey form on the external-facing corporate site. You need to record responses submitted through this form into a Microsoft Dataverse instance. Visitors must not need to sign in or supply personal credentials to submit their data. Which authentication method should you use? Option A, claims-based. Option B, Microsoft 365. Option C, Azure Guest Account. Option D, Client Secret.
Let's think about what this scenario is asking. We're dealing with a public-facing website where anonymous users need to submit data, in this case survey responses, into Microsoft Dataverse. The key challenge here is enabling unauthenticated external visitors to write data to our backend system securely without forcing every single visitor to create an account, log in, or provide personal credentials. We need to evaluate which authentication mechanism allows a web application or backend service to interact with Dataverse on behalf of anonymous users. Looking at the options and the requirements, I believe the correct answer is option D, Client Secret. To capture data from a publicly accessible website where users are anonymous and do not have explicit user credentials, you must use server-to-server authentication, or a service principal. A client secret allows a back-end application or web service to authenticate against Microsoft Dataverse securely using its own Azure AD application identity, rather than requiring individual end-user credentials.
The other options simply do not fit this anonymous scenario. Claims-based authentication, Microsoft 365 accounts, and Azure Guest accounts all require explicit user identities and individual sign-ins. Since our visitors are anonymous and must not need to sign in, these user-based methods are entirely unsuitable for this architecture.